And we'll see as we're running different transactions. And this is the advantage online shopping. So whether we're doing speakers or tablets, etc., that is reflected here. Okay. Now the distinct difference we get is transactions by location. Let's look at one of those. What we see is different is that when we search, we get the home page 40 seconds by the home network or by the office network. Same graph as before, but broken up into the network overlays. As well as we get additional graphs down here around packet loss, or maybe network throughput for each of the different networks. Let's wait till we finish. Now we're starting to exit, and all our NV users have stopped. Just waiting for one to exit. Finishing. Now we look at our results, and we can see between the office and the home network information.